Dude, you driving the Batmobile?
Batman! Windshield wipers.
Just waving, running and waving at the same time.
Shift it. Here. Skirt! Yeah. We're going to fight crime. Crime, nothing, Batman won. Sorry, I got your cape in your face. That doesn't hurt my ears at all.
Dude.
He's busy.
Every time he reaches for that, he goes...
He does the dinky face. You going back to the back car seat?
Come here. Come here, Bubba. Big boo. The back car seat.
You got your back grandma in the back seat?
Big boo. I see you. Viv.
Hold on to your butt, Grandma! Oh man!
What?
It's raining so hard my thing's leaking.
Oh no. Ah! Oh no! Close your thing.
I don't know. It's just raining on me!
Is it not closed?
This is the worst thing ever!
Is it not closed tight?
God peed on me!
We have to go in the house.
Yeah.